What are you doing, Anne? Tom, I'm preparing a surprise for Mom and Dad. Anyways, what are you making? I'm making tomato pasta. Wow, how do you make it? First, boil water in a pan and put pasta in it. Here are your pasta noodles. Oh, Tom. Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me clean it up. Phew. What next? Oh, I need to slice mushrooms, onions, and broccoli into small pieces. Oh, and you should be careful with a knife. Thanks for your concern, but I can't focus if you keep walking around in the kitchen. Please stop. Freeze. Thank you so much. Now I need to stir fry the vegetables. And until when do I have to be like this? Until I'm done cooking. Phew. Tom, don't move. And sprinkle some salt and pepper into the sauce. It's sweet, so delicious. And is there anything I can help with? Never. So now, pour noodles, vegetables, and salt into fry pan and stir. Let me add the parsley. Ta-da! It's done.